Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand headers into Instagram highlights templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering your brand headers that you wish to transfer into Instagram highlights templates. Make sure the headers are in a digital format such as JPEG or PNG. Open a graphic design tool like Canva, Adobe Spark, or Photoshop. Create a new blank project with the dimensions that suit Instagram, typically a square format. Import your brand headers into the design tool. Drag and drop the headers onto your project canvas. Adjust the size of the headers to fit well within the layout. Choose a color palette that is consistent with your brand identity. Incorporate that color palette into the background of your Instagram highlight templates. Consider adding shapes or icons that complement your brand headers. Use elements like circles or rectangles to frame your headers neatly. Ensure that the text on the headers is readable against the background. Apply any necessary filters or effects to enhance the visual appeal of your templates. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your project in high resolution. Export each highlight template individually in a compatible format for Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile and tap on the highlight section. Select the highlight you want to update or create a new one. Tap on Edit Highlight and then Edit Cover. Upload the new template you created. Position the template to ensure that it is well centered within the highlight circle. Repeat this process for each highlight until all are updated with your new templates. Make sure to preview the overall look on your profile. Check for consistency and alignment with your brand aesthetics. Make any final adjustments as necessary. Your Instagram highlights are now transformed with your brand headers. Engage your audience with these visually appealing templates that represent your brand effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.